All right, so today you guys are going to be doing some practice about point of view on IXL. All you have to do is just click the link and it should take you to IXL, but you do need to make sure that you're logged in, because if you're not logged in, you'll be able to do some practice, but then it eventually will stop you and it won't count towards your your username. So please make sure that you log in, okay? So we're going to be doing IXLG point of view 2. So we're going to be comparing and contrasting points of view today. So when we compare and contrast, we're basically finding similarities and we're finding differences. So we have two different texts that we're going to read. And then we have to answer these questions. Which author would agree with the opinions below? So we're going to have to check which one we think they would agree with. So, text 1 says, I know that seafood is full of vitamins and minerals that are good for people's health, but that does not change the fact that seafood tastes disgusting. Even though I like being near the ocean, the food from the sea just doesn't please me. I have tried everything from plain old cod to clams, shrimp, and crab. I've even tried them prepared in many different ways. I don't need seafood because there are plenty of other foods for me to eat. Okay, so that's text 1. Text 2 says, just thinking about seafood makes my mouth water. Do I want some creamy clam soup, baked salmon, and breaded shrimp? Yes, please. Because there are so many different types of seafood, everyone can find a favorite. Besides, its slightly salty flavor and many health benefits. I like seafood because it reminds me of the ocean. We go to the coast twice a year and line up at Frankie's Fish Fry. Then we sit in the sun and fill up on tasty seafood. So, as you can see, these two different authors have a very different point of view about seafood. In the first text, they do not like seafood. They don't like any types of seafood. And they believe that you can get those same vitamins and minerals and healthy things from other foods. Now, in text 2, they love seafood. And they think that everybody can find some sort of seafood that they like. They also say that it has lots of health benefits. So let's go down here and check some boxes. So we want to know which author would agree with the opinions below. Seafood is good for you. Do we think that would be more of author 1 or author 2? Well, probably author 2, because they love seafood and they say, besides its slightly salty flavor and many health benefits. Okay, the next one. People who say they don't like seafood haven't tried the right kind. Oh, you can actually check two boxes. So both of them did say that seafood was good for people, because it says, I know that seafood is full of vitamins and minerals. They are good for people's health. So they both agree with that. People who say they don't like seafood haven't tried the right kind. Well, remember, text 2 was talking about how people probably would be able to find something that they liked because there are so many different types. See, because there are so many different types of seafood, everyone can find a favorite. So that would be author of text 2. Seafood is delicious. Well, did the point of view from text 1, did they like seafood? Not at all. Seafood is delicious would have been author 2. So that is going to be what you're going to be doing today for your practice. You need to practice until you get a SMART score of at least 80%.